Looks stable now. Keep watching the temperature.
Roger that. I'm increasing the ventilation flow.
We are approaching maximum load capacity. All systems are green.
Confirmed. Sustaining current injection rate.
Open the gate wider.
It's clear on this side. Keep it coming.
Watch the overflow.
Check the tension on line 3. Looks good, within tolerance. Check the alignment tolerance on tray 4.
Looks good from here. Calibration is holding steady.
We're showing high temps on the compression gauge right here.
Acknowledged. Rolling speed looks good now.
We have a steady run of the shallow cups now.
Yes, the synchronization is holding well.
The alignment on press 4 is drifting slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the feed rate now.
Check the pressure gauge on roller 3. Reading steady at 500 psi. Alignment is holding steady at 99%.
Good, the taper looks smooth on this run.
The pressure on press 3 is fluctuating slightly outside the tolerance.
I see it. Adjusting the feed rate now. That should stabilize the rim thickness.
Extreme precision is vital here. The micro-drilling machines create the tiny flash holes, monitored by advanced digital microscopes.
We have a slight blockage on the separator.
Noted. I'll adjust the flow rate from here.
Monitor the rotation speed on the next cycle.
Uniformity is well within tolerance. We are good to continue.
Look at this anomaly on the feed.
It's an alignment issue. The system caught it before the sorting gate.
The rejection rate is holding steady at 0.05%.
Good. The calibration seems effective.
Cartridges are tested under these controlled pressure systems to ensure safety. The heavy-duty equipment allows our engineers
Check the fluctuation at the third sensor array.
It's within tolerance. The final measurement is good.
Here in the distribution center, precision is paramount. The automated printers apply thousands of labels daily.
I'm sending the manifest now. Confirm receipt.
Received. We'll start loading aisle 6.
Thumbs up received. The next pallet goes to aisle 4.
Aisle 4. Confirming.
Watch your clearance on the right. Okay, bring it back another foot. Easy now. We need another pallet of the 16B over here.
Seal in place. Check number 429er.
429er confirmed. You are clear for transport.
Diverter 7 is showing a backup on the east line.
Copy that. Adjusting flow rate now.
Did you scan the last pallet on aisle 4?
Yes, I just updated the count on the tablet.